Have you ever wondered why your kidneys aren't as healthy as they should be? You might be surprised to learn that many of your everyday habits are damaging these vital organs. Your daily routine, including what you eat and how you live, can harm your kidneys without giving you any warning signs. Kidney health is often overlooked until something goes wrong, but by then, the damage may already be done. So, if you want to learn about these harmful habits and how to avoid them, this video is for you. We'll explore the 10 worst daily habits that can damage your kidneys fast and offer simple ways to protect them. Keep watching to safeguard your kidney health. Bad habit. Number 1. Dehydration. Dehydration is one of the most common and underestimated bad habits that can cause significant damage to your kidneys. When your body loses more water than it takes in, you become dehydrated. This not only affects your overall health, but also stresses your kidneys, which rely on water to filter waste from your blood and balance your body's fluids. Without enough water, your kidneys struggle to function properly, which can lead to long-term damage. Dehydration also disrupts the balance of essential electrolytes like potassium, sodium, and phosphate. These electrolytes are crucial for the proper functioning of your cells, helping them send and receive electrical signals. If these signals are disrupted due to a lack of water, it can lead to severe health issues such as seizures, fainting, or even loss of consciousness. Even mild dehydration can reduce kidney function by up to 10%. Over time, this can lead to chronic kidney issues or even kidney failure. Health experts recommend drinking around 15.5 cups or 3.7 litres of fluids per day for men and 11.5 cups or 2.7 litres for women. However, your exact needs may vary based on factors such as your level of physical activity, climate, and overall health. The key is to listen to your body and stay properly hydrated throughout the day to keep your kidneys healthy. Bad habit number 2, heavy drinking. While enjoying an occasional drink might not seem harmful, heavy drinking can have serious consequences for your kidneys. Studies have shown that excessive alcohol consumption can double your risk of developing chronic kidney disease. And if you combine drinking with smoking, your risk increases even more, potentially by up to 5 times. Alcohol can damage your kidneys in several ways. Firstly, it acts as a diuretic, causing dehydration, which we've already established is harmful to kidney function. Secondly, alcohol can damage kidney cells directly by slowing down blood flow to the kidneys, making it harder for them to filter waste and toxins from your body. Over time, this can lead to swelling, scarring, and ultimately kidney failure. To protect your kidneys, it's essential to drink alcohol in moderation. For men, this means no more than 2 drinks per day, while women should limit themselves to 1 drink per day. Balance is key, so if you choose to drink, do so responsibly to safeguard your kidney health. Bad habit number 3, ignoring urinary tract infections or UTIs. Urinary tract infections are common bacterial infections that can affect various parts of your urinary system, including your bladder, kidneys, or urethra. While most UTIs can be easily treated with antibiotics, ignoring the symptoms can lead to severe complications. If left untreated, a UTI can spread to your kidneys, causing a serious condition known as pyelonephritis. This can result in permanent kidney damage or even sepsis, a life-threatening infection that can spread throughout your body. Your urinary system plays a critical role in filtering waste and maintaining fluid balance. When bacteria enter this system and cause an infection, it disrupts these vital functions. Symptoms of a UTI include pain or burning during urination, frequent urination, cloudy or bloody urine, and a constant urge to urinate. Ignoring these symptoms can allow the infection to reach your kidneys, where it can cause lasting damage. Studies have shown that elderly individuals, especially women with kidney stones, are at a higher risk of developing severe upper urinary tract infections. Therefore, prompt treatment is essential to prevent the infection from spreading and causing further harm. If you experience any symptoms of a UTI, see a healthcare professional immediately to protect your kidneys. Bad habit. Number 4. Frequent use of painkillers. Painkillers, especially non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs or NSAIDs, like ibuprofen and naproxen, are commonly used to relieve pain and reduce inflammation. However, frequent or long-term use of these medications can be harmful to your kidneys. A study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that regular use of NSAIDs over a period of 1 year can increase your risk of developing chronic kidney disease by up to 20%. NSAIDs can narrow the blood vessels in your kidneys, reducing blood flow and impairing their ability to filter waste and maintain a proper balance of fluids in your body. Over time, this reduced blood flow can cause kidney damage and decrease kidney function. While painkillers can be effective in managing pain, it's crucial to use them as directed and avoid overuse. If you rely on NSAIDs regularly, talk to your healthcare provider about alternative pain management options. Protecting your kidneys means being mindful of the medications you take and the potential risks associated with them. Bad habit number 5, sleep deprivation. Sleep is essential for your overall health, including the health of your kidneys. Your sleep-wake cycle helps regulate kidney function throughout the day and night. When you don't get enough sleep, this balance is disrupted, leading to increased stress on your kidneys. Chronic sleep deprivation has been linked to higher levels of stress hormones like cortisol, which can cause inflammation and reduce kidney function over time. About 30% of adults worldwide are chronically sleep-deprived, which puts them at a higher risk of developing chronic kidney disease. Studies have shown that lack of sleep can increase this risk by up to 40%. Getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night is crucial for maintaining healthy kidney function. Good sleep helps regulate stress levels, maintains healthy blood pressure, and improves overall well-being. If you have trouble sleeping, consider adopting a consistent sleep routine, reducing screen time before bed, and creating a relaxing sleep environment. These small changes can make a big difference in protecting your kidneys from the harmful effects of sleep deprivation. Bad habit number 6, high sugar intake. Consuming too much sugar is another bad habit that can damage your kidneys. High sugar intake increases your risk of developing conditions like high blood pressure and diabetes, both of which are major risk factors for kidney disease. When you eat sugar, your body produces insulin to help manage the rise in blood sugar levels. However, frequent consumption of excessive amounts of sugar can make your body less responsive to insulin, leading to chronically high blood sugar levels and diabetes. High blood sugar puts extra stress on your blood vessels, causing them to stiffen and narrow. This can increase your blood pressure, which is harmful to your kidneys. A study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that people who consume more than 14 sugary drinks per week are twice as likely to develop high blood pressure compared to those who drink fewer sugary beverages. To protect your kidneys, it's important to limit your sugar intake. This includes not only sugary drinks, but also foods high in added sugars. Opt for natural sweeteners like fruit, and focus on a balanced diet to support your kidney health. Bad habit number 7, processed foods. Processed foods are often loaded with salt, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives, all of which, can take a toll on your kidneys. Many processed foods contain high levels of sodium, which can increase blood pressure and strain your kidneys. Additionally, processed foods are often high in phosphorus, which can overload your kidneys and impair their ability to filter waste effectively. Processed foods are also packed with refined carbohydrates and unhealthy fats, which can lead to chronic inflammation in your body. Inflammation is a significant contributor to kidney damage as it can directly harm kidney cells and reduce their ability to function properly. A study found that consuming a lot of processed foods can increase your risk of chronic kidney disease by up to 25%. To keep your kidneys healthy, try to limit your intake of processed foods and opt for fresh whole foods whenever possible. Focus on a balanced diet that supports kidney function by including plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins and whole grains. Bad habit number 8, overuse of salt. Salt is essential for maintaining proper fluid balance in your body, but too much salt can be harmful to your kidneys. When you consume excessive amounts of salt, it increases the sodium levels in your bloodstream, causing your body to retain more water. This extra fluid puts additional pressure on your blood vessels and increases your blood pressure, which can strain your kidneys. High blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney damage and chronic kidney disease. A study showed that consuming more than 2.3 grams of salt per day can increase your risk of high blood pressure by up to 25%. Over time, this constant strain can cause kidney damage and make it harder for your kidneys to function properly. To protect your kidneys, it's important to limit your salt intake. Aim to consume less than 2.3 grams of sodium per day, and be mindful of hidden sources of salt in processed and restaurant foods. Opt for fresh ingredients and use herbs and spices to flavor your meals instead of relying on salt. Bad habit number 9, smoking. Smoking is harmful to every part of your body, including your kidneys. When you smoke, harmful chemicals enter your bloodstream and can damage your blood vessels, reducing blood flow to your kidneys. This lack of oxygen and nutrients can impair kidney function and lead to chronic kidney disease. Smoking also increases your risk of high blood pressure and diabetes, two major risk factors for kidney damage. A study published in the American Journal of Kidney Diseases found that smokers are twice as likely to develop chronic kidney disease compared to non-smokers. Additionally, smoking can exacerbate existing kidney conditions and accelerate their progression. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do to protect your kidneys and improve your overall health. While quitting can be challenging, there are many resources and support systems available to help you succeed. Bad habit number 10, skipping regular checkups. Regular checkups are essential for maintaining good kidney health. Many kidney diseases develop slowly and show no symptoms until significant damage has occurred. By the time symptoms appear, the damage may be irreversible, making regular checkups crucial for early detection and prevention. During a checkup, your healthcare provider can monitor your blood pressure, blood sugar levels, and kidney function. They can also perform tests like urine analysis and blood tests to assess your kidney health. Catching any potential issues early allows for timely intervention, which can prevent further damage and improve outcomes. Skipping regular checkups puts you at risk of missing the early signs of kidney disease, making it more difficult to manage later on. Make sure to schedule routine visits with your healthcare provider, especially if you have risk factors like high blood pressure, diabetes, or a family history of kidney disease. Your kidneys play a vital role in maintaining your overall health, but they are often taken for granted until problems arise. By understanding and avoiding these 20 harmful daily habits, you can significantly reduce your risk of kidney damage and ensure that your kidneys function optimally for years to come. Simple lifestyle changes, such as staying hydrated, limiting alcohol and salt intake, and getting regular checkups, can make a big difference in protecting your kidneys. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. The health of your kidneys affects your entire body, so it's crucial to take proactive steps to care for them. By making conscious choices and staying informed, you can safeguard your kidney health and improve your quality of life. Your kidneys are your body's natural filtration system, and with a little effort, you can help them keep doing their job efficiently. Make these positive changes today and give your kidneys the care they deserve.